it's Timo here, and today's video is about awesome 3D wooden world map just behind me that is made from this company called Enjoy the Wood. I would just like to point out that this video is not sponsored whatsoever, but it's really just an honest opinion of this great product that me and my girlfriend decided to buy a few days ago. So Enjoy the Wood is an Ukrainian family-owned business which produces handcrafted wooden accessories. Looking through their website, we can find many different products, but their best sellers and the ones that got our personal attention are obviously the 3D wooden world maps. So the map itself comes in many different color options, and there should be one for every taste. There are also 4 different sizes to choose from M, L, XL and XXL, which you can see on the screen. There are also 3 different options to choose from, and those are blank, basic and prime. Blank is basically just a map itself with nothing else, while basic adds country names and borders, states, capitals, etc. While prime just adds Antarctica to what basic already is. And if you're still not satisfied with options above, they have a customized option where you can discuss any extra changes or customizations you would like. I have to say, our experience with their customer support was fast and more than excellent. So the package arrived within a week of its order, which was awesome, considering the Sydney lockdown that we are right now and all the delays on shipments. Package was nicely secured and had 0 damages. Enjoy the Wood goes one step further with their awesome packaging, making this unpacking experience even more interesting and joyful. As you can see, we got our map in large size and light color. We also got flag pins with our order. Funny story, we actually ordered our map already, and in the next few days Enjoy the Wood came out with this promotion where you could get free flags with your order of whole map. So we decided to contact them, and here they are, for free. Don't forget, if you don't ask, you don't get. Great customer service from them though.
In the smaller box we can find smaller islands, ocean names and self-adhesive tape. While in ours there's also airplane push pins which we got for our map. At the start it was a bit scary to push out the small islands out of the plywood. But as we go we realize the cuts are done superb and the material is strong enough not to break. First we set up the whole map on the floor to see how the pieces go together, and also to set up for the next step, which is attaching the tape to the pieces. To do so, just follow the guide where to attach the tape. Be aware that this part takes the longest, as there is a lot of tape to go through and it's a bit harder to peel off at the end. We started with measuring the area where we want our map to go, and then we fixed the corner guidelines, making sure the whole thing was leveled. After you're done with that, the fun part begins and off we go.